Okay, morning everyone. Dean Howell here from GeoSpatial Connect. Thank you for all of you who are joining us live, and thank you for watching the recording if you're watching the recording. As a bit of an overview, today is our services Hangout here on Google, and we do these Hangouts each day, Monday to Friday. Monday is our new members Hangout. Tuesday, services, so if you've got a service you'd like to promote. Wednesday is our job seeker coaching. Thursday, products and projects, and Friday is our business coaching. So today is Tuesday, so we're going to look at some services, and I thought what we would do is continue with looking at the new website, and we're just going to have a brief look at some of the where you can the services that the new website will provide. So it hasn't gone live yet, but we've had a few people testing it for us, and so appreciate those who have done that. All right, I think I'm just going to hello, Peter. I'm just going to mute your microphone. I think it's just feeding back. All right. Okay, so let's. I'm just going to share the main screen. So just bear with me for a sec. Which one do I want? That one. Okay, so I'm just going to move this over to the side. So if you want to ask a question, just type it into the chat. And we're just going to look at the new websites that we're going to launch probably in the next, maybe later this week, early next week. So for those of you who have had a look at it, thank you for doing that. It's on our test domain at the moment, geospatialconnect.net/dolph, and we're using an open source system by a company called Dolphin, which just happens to be here in Australia, which I didn't realise until the other day after starting to use it. All right, so we've really increased the features on the new website, so that there's a range of services and features that members can take advantage of. On the previous version, we had our e-store, and we had our projects page and the members page where you could put your profile and things like that. So we've expanded upon those, and now we've got a jobs section, and we've got a section where you can put your resume, and we've now got events, groups, so a lot of similar things to your LinkedIn's and your Facebook. And we've currently got a store and a classified section. Now they're both essentially the same thing. I'm just testing two different modules at the moment, so one of those will go, but they're both where you can buy and sell goods and services. So they're the things that we're adding. And we've got blogs too. I didn't mention that. So we did have a question before from Jason in regards to, on the resume, how you add more. It works in a bit of a funny way that you add the first I'll just go to my one. So Jason's added his. It works in a bit of a funny way in that the form comes up for the first one, and you can add your first work experience and your first bit of education and stuff like that. And the question was, how do you add more? And so once you've added those first ones, you'll have these action sections on the right here. And so you can then add some more experience or add more education. So you just click on those and you'll be able to add more to it. So you can then build up your resume and have all of that information there. And this resume module is then connected to the jobs module. So if you're interested in a job that is posted, you can use that resume, or you can upload a file. So you can add a file and upload your own version of your resume if you don't want to specifically use it. So that's one of the new services that the site will provide. So you can add your resume, you can search, and one of the things for job seekers, we've added this jobs wanted section. So if you're actively looking for a job, you can actually put your requirements out there. So you can sort of say to people, yep, I'm looking, and this is the sort of job I'm looking for. And so it's sort of almost the reverse. Instead of an employee putting it, it allows you to actually go put it out there to employers that that you're looking for a job. So take advantage of those things. Like I said, we're going to make the website probably active later this week. I've still got a little bit more testing to do, and I'm here in Adelaide at the moment, and the Ashes test in cricket starts Thursday and Friday, so I'm heading along to that, so I'm not sure how much I'll get done Thursday, Friday. Jason's just asked a question, will your education work experience be able to be viewed at once on your profile or resume model? Yeah, as far as I know, you can, once you've added it, it's then viewable. So I think if I go to the resume section, I can view your resume, Jason. So yeah, I think there is a way you can set some privacy issue things in it as well. So depending on who you want to see it. But as soon as you've added those things, they become visible. So all right. So that's really what I wanted to sort of show today. We're going to be developing new features as we go along. We're looking at even incorporating some video features, so you can have some video resumes, or for companies that they can put their company video on. We'll have the company section. Within the job section, there's areas for companies to put their profiles. So we've just added one where we've got a test, well, it's not a test job section, an actual job, but I have added that for a company called Woodside. So companies can put their information, but we're also going to add a specific company business listing sort of module as well. So that'll be coming shortly as well. All right, so does anyone have any questions? What is the video comment you can leave on someone's profile? I think you can actually record. I haven't, Jason, I haven't tested that feature. It just came standard with the module. Basically, what we've done is the Dolphin social media platform that we're using is a sort of a core group of functions, and you can then add functions in, and people have written stuff that, and so we've utilizing things that people have written. So so there is on the comments the option to use video, so you can video your comment. I haven't tried it, so maybe you want to try it if you've got a camera, or I can try it and see what happens. So haven't tried that yet. All right, so does anyone else have any questions for today? All right. Well, thanks for joining in today or for watching the recording. We like to keep these webinars, because we're doing them daily, we like to keep them fairly short so that, let's just go back to here. So we keep them fairly short so that people can watch them in their own time, and it's just a quick overview of something that's happening in the industry or something that's happening on the site. And if you want to join in at any stage, you can jump online and tell me about it. Jason, yep, I got your emails, and I'll respond to those soon. So thank you everyone for attending today, and remember, tomorrow is our job seeker coaching. If you have any specific questions, issues regarding job seeker about the coaching, then just drop me an email, or even when you get online, just ask me those questions. So tomorrow, job seeker coaching, Thursday, products and projects, and then Friday, our business coaching. So hopefully I'll see you again soon, or watch the recording on our YouTube channel or on our blog. So have a great day, and we'll speak to you again soon.